What I want to think about in this word problem, or this short scenario here, 3 friends share 87 crayons, how much will each person get? Is I want to think about that order of that sentence that we looked at today to figure out which is going to go where when we divide. So I want to be able to look at this here and say to you, I know that the 87 is what's being shared. And there are 3 people who are getting the things. So whatever is being shared, I'm going to put first in my sentence. Because it's the 87 is being shared by, or divided into, 3. So 87 is being shared by 3 people, or 87 is being divided into 3 groups. I think if you can think about it either of those ways, that'd be awesome. All right, so let's go through our steps again. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So let me, here, my 87 is going to go here. My 3 is outside. So divide. 3 goes into 8 2 times. So I have my 2. Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. So I divide, multiply, now I need to subtract. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So divide, multiply, subtract, I bring down the 7. Now I do 3 goes into 27. So I keep going back to this divisor and thinking about what's the new number I need to go into. And 3 goes into 27 9 times. And then I multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. I subtract. I get 0, and there's nothing else to come down. So that tells me right here that 3 goes into 87 29 times. Or in this case, each friend gets 29 crayons. Let's do one more. In this problem here, I'm going to I'm going to read it out loud. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't put a period here. Sorry. So this should be a period right here. So here's another one where if I have, it's 156 lollipops are being shared with 6 friends. How much will each person get? So it's really key to think about this here, that the 156 lollipops are what is being shared, and that there are 6 people who are sharing it. So I know it's 156 that are being shared in 6, or 156 that are being divided among the 6 friends. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to do some long division. So 6 goes into 156. So 6 goes into 1 0 times, sorry. 1 times 6 is 0. I subtract and I get 1. I bring down the 5. So again, I'm sorry, that was too fast. But I divided into 1. I multiplied 1 times 6 to get 0. I subtracted to get 1 and brought down the 5. Now I'm going to repeat the process. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this 15. 6 goes into 15 twice. 2 times 6, because I'm multiplying, is 12. So I've divided, multiplied, I need to subtract. I get 3. And then I'm going to bring down the 6. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So I'm going to finish this up now. With 6 goes into 36 6 times. Now I multiply. 6 times 6 is 36. Divide, multiply. Now I need to subtract. I get a 0. There's nothing else to bring down. So that means 156 divided by 6 equals 26. Or in this case, that each person gets 26 lollipops. We'll practice this more tomorrow, but you're doing really well. You made great progress today, and I know tomorrow it's going to be even better. All right, see you then.